So this morning we're at the Hemlock Gorge, and Pretty Boy. We're gonna be doing Gunpowder River Railroad Trail. It's gonna be the opposite end of where you would be for the Hemlock Gorge. It's gonna be a bit of a bushwhack. We had another hike planned, but with the fog, we weren't gonna get any views. So me and my brother decided I'm gonna have to do something with the waterfall or something by the water. So we'll see. Here's a nice stretch of the opposite end of the Hemlock Gorge. Some small rapids down here, deep water, some rocks, hemlocks. Big tree fell down over there. So it looks like there's a cave up here. I'm gonna go and check it out. It's really thorny. But we'll see if it is a cave or if anything's up here. Damn thorns. So I made it up here. Not much of a cave, more like a rock shelter. Cool nonetheless. Here's some nice small rapids. So here's some impressive rock outcrops. Up here, a beaver girdled tree. Looks pretty old. But we'll see if there's any caves or anything up here. Oh, here's like a cave or something up here. My brother discovered. I'll get the flashlight, see what's in here. So here I am going into the cave. I'm gonna have to get down on all fours. It's a tight squeeze, but we'll see what's down here. So in the cave, it goes back pretty far. So here I am in this cave. This goes back pretty far. Man, this is pretty deep cave. I don't see any bats or anything. It's probably too wet, but this is pretty cool. All right, so here we are in this cave. Tell me, how high would you say the ceiling is? 4 feet maybe, and it's about what? 25, 30 feet long. Mm-hmm. And how wide is it? Maybe 10, 15 feet. And the dogs are having fun. I'll do some more exploring, show you what it looks like from the other end. So here I'm at the back end of the cave. My brother down there by the entrance. It's pretty interesting back here. I don't know if it's a cave or if it's a mine. So I'm not 100% sure. I want to say it's a cave, but I don't know anything about geology really. So I'm gonna exit the cave here. So here's my brother exiting. The entrance isn't that big. I'm up somewhat claustrophobic, but I didn't have any issues with it. Here's the last look at that cave and the opening. Like I said, we were able to go back pretty far. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. So continuing up this big rock outcrop, we discovered, I don't know if it's like an altar or what the heck. Somebody's cooking up here. What the heck? Here's another view of that altar or cooking area. I don't know what the heck it is. Bizarre. Never know what you're gonna find hiking. So here we are at the top of this rock outcrop, looking for other caves. I don't see much. Gives you somewhat of a view. Shows you the elevation of the other side. Here's a closer look at that cooking area slash altar. I say altar because it's got candles. I don't know what the heck people have been doing up there. Cooking, hopefully not sacrificing anything. Here's a nice view of the river from up top where that outcrop is. There's some more outcrops we'll go and check out, see what we can find. So it looks like this might be another cave. Tom, is this a cave? Yeah, somewhat. Doesn't go as back. It's either a cave or mine, I'm not sure, but it goes back if the dog would move away. Here, I'll try to get a video of this cave or mine as well. It goes back a little bit. Not like the other, not as extensive as the other one. I'm not crawling back up there, but it goes back. So here's a small waterfall up here cascading down from the side of the hill. So here's a closer look at that small little waterfall. Here I am on the other side where that waterfall is. It trickles down. Sure, it's more impressive once there's more flow. They keep on going up, it keeps on going, cascading down. There's a little pool up here. Try to take you to. And that's looking down on top of the waterfall. And it continues to cascade up there. Try to get another view above. But yeah, there it is. So there's that old railroad. You could see it, the rock wall of where it was. Try to get a better picture, a little closer, without falling in or hitting these damn thorns. Damn thorns are everywhere. But yeah, there you can see that rock wall where the railroad was. So here's closer to that railroad bed and the creek, or the river right beside it. So about 1.5 miles into our trip, we're gonna have to abandon it because the trail just dies and it's just all greenbrier and thorns and it's just ripping us up. So here's the base of the waterfall. Like I said, I need to come back here in the spring when it's roaring. Thought it would look pretty cool. So my final review of this trail, it's not much of a trail. It's not maintained good. There's a lot of greenbrier. There was that pretty cool waterfall as well as the caves of the mine.